everyone, and welcome to another marketing rundown where you will learn about a newer feature that has taken Instagram completely by storm, Reels. My name is Rachel Clark, and today I have with me marketing account executive Mary Kaczynski. Hi, Mary.
Hey, everyone.
So for this rundown, we have Mary here to chat about Instagram Reels and how they could be a complete game changer for your real estate business. So for starters, Mary, can you explain exactly what a Reel is for people?
For sure. So, an easy way to think about it is sort of like Instagram's version of TikTok, where you record short clips, you add audio, text, effects, and just really let your creativity out. But the coolest part, in my opinion, is that it's really given people the potential to go viral on Instagram more than ever before.
Wow, really? So when you say it can help you go viral, what do you exactly mean by that? Can you elaborate a little?
For sure. So, Instagram recently updated their app, and as you may have noticed, it's got a totally different layout. This layout has really made Reels front and center by giving them a dedicated button and pinning them to the top of the newsfeed. Plus, since it's a newer feature, it gives you as an agent a huge opportunity to venture into an area that's honestly kind of lacking in real estate content.
That sounds like a huge opportunity. Our loan officers have been using Instagram to generate more business day after day, and we're always looking for more ways to reach more clients and real estate agents. Is that really all it takes for your reel to get more exposure?
Not necessarily. It definitely requires some strategy on your end, and really the ultimate goal is to get your reel as a featured pick, which basically means pinned to the top of the Discover section and easier for people to find. A few ways to increase that likelihood are sharing your reels to your feed and your stories, tagging relevant brands and accounts, adding relevant hashtags, and honestly, just being creative.
Yeah, we're all about tagging and hashtagging. It's the best way to generate some more engagement. So if you don't know where to start, how do you go about creating a reel?
So at the top of the homepage, you're going to press that square plus button and then select Reels along the bottom. Then you can record in a series of clips all at once or using your video uploads. But recording's the easy part. It's the editing that probably has the biggest learning curve, but that's also the most rewarding part for helping your Reels stand out. I highly recommend just spending some time playing around in the editing options and just getting used to that functionality.
Well, that sounds easy enough. Do you have any recommendations for editing the reel after you're done?
Yeah, so the Reels tool itself allows you to add music, text, a few different effects, but if you really want to go above and beyond, I recommend checking out a few apps like InShot, iMovie, Timber, and Funimate, to name a few.
Yes, I love how inventive Instagram has become with all the fun little additions you can add to make it your own, especially the new fonts. They're my favorite. So now that you know how to create a reel, do you have any ideas you could send us off with?
Yeah, absolutely. So, a few ideas you could highlight property features set to music, give a funny behind the scenes look into your workday, act out a conversation you've had, maybe answer some frequently asked questions, or show before and after clips of a home improvement project. Honestly, though, the best way to get inspired is to just start watching a lot of reels.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Mary. That wraps it up for this week, and I'll see you guys all next time on our next marketing rundown. Thanks so much for watching. And if you want to dive deeper on Reels or if you have any other marketing questions, reach out. We'd be happy to help. Thanks.